Hello, everyone. This is Steve Afasi from Elite Business Insurance. I'm here to talk to you about cheap general liability insurance for contractors. Now, the insurance requirements in the construction field, usually if you're dealing with contractors, you'll be dealing with architects or property owners, they're going to require the standard 1 million, 2 million. That's for any realistic business that you're doing any sort of a job for. Now, if you get into bigger markets, if you get into large corporations who, Fortune 500 companies, if you happen to be doing work for those sort of markets, banks maybe, they're going to have very high insurance requirements, meaning that you're going to need excess liabilities, umbrellas. You're going to need to match commercial autos with $1 million coverage across the board, workers' comp insurance. They're going to want to make sure that you are protected for every angle. Basically, in the case that something happens due to your negligence, they don't want to be held liable for your negligent acts, basically. So as a contractor, you're going to be hiring a lot of different subcontractors. You're going to be hiring glaziers, carpenters, masonry guys, roofers. So you want to make sure that they all have sufficient insurance. So you want to make sure whatever your requirements are, you make sure that those subcontractors are carrying equal or greater than limits to your own. And that is a question on your insurance application usually, that you have to agree to that. So you can't be hiring subcontractors with no insurance because God forbid something happens, it's going to fall back on you. You can't be hiring subcontractors with less insurance than what you have because once again, God forbid something happens, it's going to fall back on you. So in order to protect yourself, make sure your subcontractors not only have equal limits to your own, but make sure that they list you as an additional insured on their policy. Now, what an additional insured is it means that you're basically covering yourself. You're listed as a name insured on their policy to protect yourself in the case that they have a claim due to their negligence that you're not going to be held liable as well. Your company is protected under their company's policy, if that makes sense. So Elite Business Insurance, we're a full-service independent agency. So we have markets throughout the whole entire nation, hundreds of markets in the state of Florida where we're established, thousands of markets throughout the nation. We write in many states throughout the nation, and we could definitely help you out regardless of what kind of business you have. If you're a general contractor, if you're a subcontractor, if you're an architect, a glazier, a carpenter, a tile guy, you're building residential homes from the ground up, you're doing land excavation, you name it, we write it. Elite Business Insurance, we can handle all of your insurance needs, and what we do is we basically shop your information around, no charge, no obligation. We don't make money from you. We make money from only the insurance carriers, and we have no loyalty to any one company. Our only loyalty is to our customers. So give us a shot. I'll make sure that you're covered for all the loose ends. I'll shop you around. I'll get you the best bang for the buck. And we do offer 24/7 customer service, and we make sure that our customer service is always outstanding. So give us a call, Elite Business Insurance, 1-800-850-8819, Elite Business Insurance. We are elite.